Hello YouTube, picked up another radio today. This is another Super Cheetah, Australian Delivery 18 channel. I've just had the lids off before we fired up. And we fired it up, blew a fuse straight away. They're just some of the parts that I've replaced already, including a diode. And I want to show you something very, very odd. Okay, we bring this around. Now I've already done repairs in this area, so I just want to show you something. So I've replaced the negative and positive light bars that come through from the power connector on the other side. So if we flip it over, in here they go into this socket here, which is the negative, and that one is the positive. First of all, the diode that was blown was around the wrong way, so the anode was on this side, and then I couldn't work this out. Why? This is the negative rail, this is the positive rail, and this was soldered to there. Now, I've just made a comparison, and this is why I keep my radios. This is our Green Goblin that I did a series of, and you can see here there was chokes on the DC, on the positive and negative line, but nothing. Okay, so the negative is isolated from the positive. So there you go. Interesting situation. I'm going to continue with my repairs. I will put, as per the factory, I'm going to put a couple of chokes on here now too. Alright, so I've just got a continuity tester on the multimeter. I'm just going to show you that I'm not imagining things here. I maybe need to invest in some clips one day. Okay. So that's under that side, which is on the negative side of the board, and this is the positive. This is all right. So it was a dead short to the in the radio, and let's see if it hasn't done any more damage. I'm just putting in a 1 amp fuse in the DC cable, so that's going to blow very quickly. Okay, so now we know what we're up against with the radio. I'm going to start stripping it down. We'll soak these for maybe 4 days, and the face plate. I'll remove that, which is just 4 screws, and it unclips, and we'll put the radio aside. Thank you very much for watching. Another one that will continue its journey. Let me know what you think. Should we hot rod this radio like the Green Goblin and make it all blue, or should we leave it standard? It's up to you. The most feedback, we'll take that on board. Thank you. Remember, comment, like and subscribe.